Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to change your Maurices account email. If you don't have a Maurices account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click Sign In. On the pop-up window, sign in with your email and password. Once you're signed in, you will see an option for My Profile. Click on My Profile. Now, you will see a section for email. There, remove the current email. Then enter the new email you wish to use. After that, click on Save Changes. That's how you change your Maurices account email. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.